What?
So, I just realized that our life is really boring because I can't think of anything to say. Like,
Well, what are you going to talk about? I know everything you do.
well, I was like I was even thinking like, oh, so what's going on with like celebrities right now and shit. And like, there's nothing going on in the world right now. We'll talk about how fucking boring the world is right now. They're in shit.
We used to talk about that when we were on coke, and then the idea.
Should have told you. You just said that out loud, smart pants.
I mean,
what are they gonna do? Arrest me. Anywho, oh god.
What?
I just looked like somebody for half a second. We're watching some claymation. I think it's the Boondocks. It's the Boondocks.
That's not the Boondocks. That's the other black show.
I just got hair in my nose. I'm ill. And stop touching my head. Don't hit your laptop.